Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. We all have drywall cracks in our house to some degree. Well, when do those drywall cracks mean I have a foundation issue? I personally have a drywall crack in my bedroom. I look at it all the time and it never grows. But I noticed with my door, whenever it's humid outside, it's hard to open and close because it gets stuck and the wood expands. When the weather is dry and the air is dry, the door will actually shrink and I don't have any rubbing or sticking of the door. So if you're experiencing this, you may not have a foundation issue. It just may be the humidity in the air expanding and contracting your doors and framing. So there's your foundation repair tip of the day. Nailed it on my outro.
Just read it.
So there's your foundation repair tip of the day.